Google Veo 2 update. How to access it now. Today we are diving into something super exciting that just dropped. The Google Veo 2 update. So what exactly is Veo 2 and how can you start creating AI generated videos with it? Well, let's take a closer look step by step. You might remember back at Google I/O 2024 when Google first unveiled Veo, a groundbreaking generative video model. It was one of the most anticipated releases in the tech world because it promised to change the way we think about video creation. Fast forward, and now Veo 2 is officially here. And it's ready to blow your mind. With Veo 2, you can turn text-based prompts into high-resolution, 8-second videos, and trust me, the quality is unlike anything you have seen before. Think cinematic quality, real-world physics, and super lifelike human motion. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it's here. So how do you get access to Veo 2? Luckily, there are a few different ways for you to get started, depending on what fits best for you. So I will walk you through main options to gain access to this incredible tool, whether you want to go the free route or OPT for the premium features. One of the most straightforward ways to get access to Veo 2 is through Gemini Advanced, which is a premium subscription to Google Gemini platform. Here's how you can access it. If you don't already have a Gemini Advanced account, you will need to sign up for a subscription. This version of Gemini is paid and grants you access to all the exclusive features, including Veo 2, advanced AI tools, and more. You can sign up through Google's official website or through the Gemini app available for both iOS and Android. After signing up for Gemini Advanced and logging into your account, you will need to head to the Gemini dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Advanced settings, where you can ensure that Veo 2 is toggled on. If you don't see it, you may need to update your settings. The good news is that once you have enabled Veo 2, you are all set to create AI-powered videos. While you can access Veo 2 from the web app, if you prefer using your smartphone, you can download the Gemini mobile app for iOS or Android. This app is great for creating videos on the go. So if you are someone who prefers mobile content creation, it's definitely worth installing. Plus, the app syncs seamlessly with your Gemini Advanced account, making it easy to pick up right where you left off. Next option is for those of you who are more technical or interested in using Google Cloud for other services as well. Here's another route to access Veo 2. New users of Google Cloud receive $300 in free credits to use across various Google services, including Veo 2. You can use these credits to try out Gemini API and access Veo 2 for a limited amount of time. It's a great option if you want to explore other cloud-based AI tools as well. After signing up for Google Cloud, you can navigate to the Media Studio section within the console and begin experimenting with Veo 2. Just keep in mind that $300 worth of free credits will be limited, so you'll want to monitor your usage carefully to get the most out of it. Next option is free trial via Google One AI Premium. If you're not ready to commit to a paid subscription just yet, there is a way you can access Veo 2 for free for 1 month. Google offers a 1-month free trial of the Google One AI Premium plan, which includes access to Gemini Advanced and Veo 2. This trial gives you the chance to test out Veo 2 and other premium features without paying a dime. After the trial, the subscription costs $19.99 per month, but you can cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to continue. Once you have activated your free trial, you'll get full access to Gemini Advanced features, including the ability to create videos using Veo 2. You can experiment with different prompts, styles, and video settings to explore the full potential of this tool. Plus, the 1-month trial is plenty of time to dive deep and see if the service is right for you. Now that you know how to access Veo 2, let's dive into the fun part, how to create AI-generated videos using this incredible tool. Creating videos with Veo 2 is simple, but the more detail you put into your prompt, the more control you have over the final product. After logging into Gemini, you will see a prompt box where you can type in your video description. This is where you will tell Veo 2 exactly what kind of video you want to generate. It could be a landscape, an action scene, or even a totally unique concept. The more detailed you make your prompt, the better the result. For example, instead of simply typing a dog running, You might ride a golden retriever running along a beach at sunset with the wind blowing through its fur. The details matter, so feel free to get creative. After entering your prompt, you will have the option to set the video's orientation, landscape, and resolution 720p. Right now, Veo2 outputs videos in 8-second segments, and all the videos are in 720p resolution. While editing features and storyboarding options are not available just yet, there's a lot you can do with what's available now. And remember, updates are on the horizon. So stay tuned for even more powerful tools in the future. Hit the submit button and within less than a minute, Veo2 will begin processing your video. You don't need to hang around waiting. Feel free to move on to other tasks while the video is being created. Once it's done, you will be able to view your 8-second video and trust me, it will blow your mind. Once your video is ready, you have a few options for how to share or store it. You can easily share your video with others by clicking the share icon. This will give you a public link that you can share with your friends, family, or across social media platforms. Whether you want to showcase your creation to the world or share it privately with a selected group, it's quick and easy. If you want to keep the video for yourself, click on the download option at the top right corner. The video will be saved directly to your device in no time. Whether you are using it for a project or just saving it for future reference, having that file on hand is a big plus. So there we have it. Veo2 is an absolute game changer in the world of AI-generated video content. Whether you are a creative professional looking for a custom B-roll or someone just having fun with new technology, Veo2 gives you the tools to create stunning videos in minutes. If you're ready to dive in, be sure to check out all these access options I have covered in this video. From the Gemini Advanced subscription to free trials, there is a way for everyone to start creating with Veo2. So what do you think of Veo2? Are you excited to try it? Let me know in the comments below and what you plan to create. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share and hit that subscribe button for more tech content. Thanks for watching.